Today, we're going to need channel locks and a new vacuum breaker insert. We're fixing the vacuum breaker in this broken toilet handle. When the toilet is flushed, lots of water goes through the handle, but when you let go, the water will stop because the vacuum breaker is being forced to close. When they start to go faulty and don't seal anymore, you run into leaky or noisy toilets. You can see that the rubber is deteriorating, and this breaker is no longer able to perform its duties. If you look at the outer ridge here, you can see that it's coming off and it no longer creates a perfect seal. Same for the bottom. When the water is trying to shut, none of these flaps are connecting together. First, start with turning off the water by turning clockwise. Then start with the bottom nut before removing the second lock ring on the top. Now remove the entirety of the head, and once that's done, you can throw away the broken vacuum seal. Set in place the new one with its gasket just placed on top. And then you can put everything right back together again. Last step is to turn on the water, and voila, just like that, you have a working toilet again. Thanks for watching PEX Universe.